In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a physical debit card in Revolut. Once you're on your home screen, at the top right corner, you're going to see a card icon. Click on it. Click on Add New. And here, click on Physical. You're going to see different card options ranging from Standard, Plus, Premium, Metal, and Ultra. So, let's just create a standard card. Here you'll be asked to create a PIN, and to confirm your PIN, just enter the same PIN you previously entered. And now they're going to ask you about the delivery address. If that is your delivery address, just go ahead and click on yes, send to this address. If not, then you can edit the address. Once you do this, you're going to be navigated to the page where you confirm your details and make payments for your card.